Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove text from video in CapCut. Sometimes removing text from videos is essential to achieve a polished presentation or adapt content for different purposes. This process not only enhances professionalism but also facilitates error correction, information updates, and translation for a wider audience. Luckily, numerous online tools allows you to remove text from video online free of charge, offering efficient and professional results. To enhance your video content by removing unwanted text, it's crucial to utilize tools with efficient capabilities. Understanding the features these tools offer can simplify even the most challenging text removal task, allowing you to focus on creating exceptional content. Here are the 5 efficient video text removal features to help you get started. AI text removal, text overlay, logos and stickers, masking, and clone stamp tool. I will show you how to do it. First, open the CapCut app on your device. Then tap on New Project to start editing your video. Choose the video you want to edit and import it into CapCut. To remove text, we'll use a masking technique. Tap on the video in the timeline to select it. Then tap on Overlay at the bottom of the screen and select Add Overlay. Now, select Mask and choose the shape that fits best over the text. You can use options like rectangle, circle, mirror, or custom. Adjust the mask setting to blend it seamlessly with the background. You can fine-tune the opacity filtering for a smoother look. And preview your video to ensure the text is effectively covered. Make any final adjustments as needed. Once you're satisfied, tap Export in the top right corner to save your video. And that's it. Online Video Text Remover offers effective solutions for cleaning up your content with ease. By using the tools mentioned in this guide, you can easily edit out unwanted text and improve your video's appearance. For a more powerful and versatile solution to remove text, try using the CapCut Desktop Video Editor. Its user-friendly interface and comprehensive text removal features make it a wonderful choice for achieving professional, clean results. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.